welcome to our factory tour today. We are very happy today to come here to have a factory tour for the largest artificial grass manufacturer, CCGrass. And just follow me. Let's go. This part is the artificial grass that's for landscaping, for the commercial users, and also for other decoration purpose. This side is another side, and also this is another application that we can use for artificial grass. It's for the sports, like football, basketball, tennis, and so on. So if you want to have more details, let's follow our video and go downstairs and have a more detailed show. This is our experience zone, including the sports application, and also in my right hand is the landscape. So the first one, let us to go to the sports grass to have a look. Let's go inside to have a look. This is our football playground. We use the FIFA certificate product to do the installation. This blue playground is for hockey by using FRH certificate product. So in CCGrass, you can find everything that you want according to your requirements. The first application of landscaping grass is for the commercial use. And the second, you can also use the artificial grass for the pets. The artificial grass not only can be used in the commercial purpose and also can be used for the gardening, just like this field to show. It's just looking like we use for the gardens. We use the artificial grass and also with the stones and also combine with the trees and flowers to make your garden very beautiful. The last one is also one application. This is a new application in China now. It can be used for the private schools and also kindergartens. Sometimes also we will use this artificial grass on the wall to do the decoration, just like here to show. And even we can use the decoration of the artificial grass for the decoration for the animals and for other things. Just like the King Kong here, you see we use the artificial grass to do the decoration, and how lovely it is.